Hello. This is Navi coming to you live from LA. How to be a multimillionaire education series. These are my own opinions only. They're not buy-sell recommendations or anything like that. We're an investor group and we're discussing money-making opportunities in the stock market today and every day. Welcome everybody. This is Navi. Coming to you live on Periscope via Twitter, and to do our daily recap of the market today, of the action in the market, how we traded it, what positions were working for us, and how we reacted to the big downside that the market had today. All right, thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So, welcome. What we did today was something really amazing. It worked out awesome. The market had a huge dump. Futures were down 20 SPY points. The market looked like it was going to crash again. And everybody and their brother was like, this is it. We're going to go down to 2,000 on the SPY. Take your money out, run for the hills, watch out. Every cat call was heard this morning, and finally there had to be somebody to make sense of it all. And I said, okay, fine, let's see what I got in here. Let me have a look at this. And I went in, and what I saw was that there was a buy on Amazon with an 800 price target, saying that they're seeing an amazing situation in Amazon. They have a cloud situation. They have the new Prime. The new Prime deal is mind-blowing. I don't know if you guys heard of the Prime deal. With your Prime subscription, you have an a la carte menu now of pick and choose Showtime and the Stars channels. Picking and choosing Showtime and the Star channels with the Amazon Prime service. This was the announcement today. The analyst put a price target of $800 a share. Market didn't care. Market took a dump, and Amazon hit $660 a share. It was down something like $10 or something. Now, at that point, with this information in my hand, I went in, I alerted our subs. I said, hey, guys, this is the time. Do not be scared. And this is the time for us to make money. And we got in, and we were able to pick up the December monthly options. And we got some different strikes, 690, 695, something like that. And everybody got a few. And basically we've been getting them since yesterday. We started getting them in as it was dumping yesterday, and then we just added more this morning. So once we did that, you guys all saw the reversal. Once it hit the 660, it bounced right back, and it got up to 679.99 today. The options got as high as about 200%, where we alerted this is where we're at. Anybody want to take it? We had a few customers that took the profits, 150, 200% profits on Amazon today. And we had a couple of them, or actually a handful, that are still in the swing and that want to swing it for another day or two. So, my own personal target on Amazon is 700. We're at 677. So I think we're going to get that target. And I will cash out on my options at that point. But everybody has their own target. If you are up 150 or 200%, hey, take your money, have fun, okay? This is what my advice, and here we go. So I'll put this over here. All right. So what we have here today, guys, is a trade in Amazon.com. We have a trade in Baba. And we have various other trades and other swings that got set up, and Facebook included. And once again, we booked profits on the Mexican Grill on the morning gap down. They tried to bring it back up, so we didn't want to take a chance of leaving our profit there, so we went ahead and took our profit. Now the Mexican Grill will set up again for us, and we're eyeing it very carefully between the 539 to 544 level. And once it starts tanking below that 539 level, we are going to seriously consider getting back in that trade. And with Relipsa, we got in at a good price, so we're okay to just watch and see what is going. Yeah, CMG made a lot of money on that put, and now we're just evaluating to see where it goes from here before we jump into another one. So we've done it twice already. We want to be careful on the third time. Let's see, and if it breaks, our way, 530s, 535, something like that, then we're going to take another look at it. Now, in after-hour news, Yahoo said that they're not selling Baba. Okay, everybody thought that millions of shares of Baba that Yahoo owns they were going to sell. So people are like, man, I can't buy Baba. What if Yahoo sells their shares, right? Everybody was worried about that. Guess what? Yahoo said we're not going to sell. And the other shares that Baba had, some of them got locked up when the Chinese ETFs bought 2 weeks ago, if you remember that. So when the Chinese ETF bought, we went long Baba 81, we cashed out 84. Then we went long again 82, and we long since 82, 83. And today it was 84 and change, and after hours it's 85.50. Okay? So this is our second time on Baba. We already made 100% last time, and tomorrow we're going to cash out another 100%. And this is basically in the last 3 days. So this is, Amazon another 200%, Baba 100% twice, and this is the last 3 days of action. Yes, sir. This is the last 3 days of action, and CMG twice. First time was 1,000%, second time was 50%. We were trying to get more, but they were trying to squeeze the option people, so we just booked the 50% and we took it home. All right, so that's what I got. As far as the big trades of the day, my puts are huge. I have some puts that are just unbelievable from last Friday, and every day they're up $1 every single day. Yes, sir. I'm on Twitter at NaviAvatar1, which is my Twitter handle. Same handle here, but a 1 after that. And be sure to check out my site, stockmarketmojo.com. There's the specials there to get you guys in. Every day you guys miss out, there's 100% trade every single day. 200%, sometimes 1,000%. Every single day there's one. You can check the videos, you can check the retweets. Every day there's a trade. If you don't want to take that trade, that's up to you guys. But, we're here and we want to share that with you. And the members will testify to that, so subscribers will testify. How we're just picking and hitting them every single day. Welcome, Raj. I just saw Raj pop up. How you doing, buddy? You did another 150% better, Raj. Another 150. The guy's been my member for 2 days. First day, he hits, what did you hit yesterday? You hit, oh my God, he hit the CLR. He has CLR for 100%, and he hit, let's see, today you hit Amazon for 200%. You've just been killing them every single day. Yeah, yesterday. And this morning you hit CMG. Yeah. So you got 3 for 3. You're killing it. I could not believe it. And I'm like, this guy, he just joined me 2 days ago, and every single day he's got 100% trade, every single day. So, guys here, feel free to follow him. He's a great trader, Mr. Raj. And yes, sir. Okay, certainly this is a free education class. We hold it every night. Okay. So for Raj, please follow him. He's a brilliant trader, and he's really got his confidence this week, and he's picking the big trades. Yeah, he's picking the big trades. Raj's. He took the Amazon this morning. He took a couple of big ones yesterday, and he's gonna get some big ones tomorrow. So he's in there, and he's knocking them out. And so. I want to obviously let you guys know, that these traders are really good. So follow them. They're in chat. They're here to learn. You guys can learn from them as well if I'm not available. But follow me on Twitter, and you see my feed, and you see my take on the market every day. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Raj, that was awesome, man. I was so happy to have that, and gap down at the open, and we got it in right at a good time. And it was a 20-point swing. I mean, what more can you ask? 20-point swing the same day. It was just beautiful. It was beautiful. Yes. Facebook, beautiful. Yeah, Facebook is just a beautiful trade. And we've been long from last week. We're in there. We got them at the 103.94. That's where we were at last week. Yeah, we got them. So we're still long the Facebook. And hopefully we'll cash that out at a beautiful profit probably tomorrow. If it's up $2 or $3, we're out. That's another 100% for us. So yeah, some stuff we were already in from Friday, which is the Baba and Facebook. We're already in from Friday, and Google also. And so those things, we got two down days in the market. We're still up, right? We're still up 100% every day. And tomorrow probably going to get a bounce. And that's where we're going to just kill it on everything that we have. Yeah. Fed has told everybody they're going to raise rates, right? So it's already factored in. Everybody knows they're going to raise rates. It's already in the market. I mean, they've been talking about it for 2 years. So raise the rate already. I would imagine they probably rally. The market probably rallies because it's behind us, So, but the thing is that, yeah, if you find a trade, guys. I go through these ideas. I come up with them, and then I let the guys know. They look at the setup, and some of these traders are even better than me. I mean, I'm good, but some of these guys are really good. And they see my setup, and they say, you know what? Maybe I'm going to go with Amazon today. Maybe I'll wait on the Netflix. They know what's up. I'll give them 3-4 setups, but they may take 1 or 2, but they hit it out. Yeah. Microsoft is still, Raj is still okay. It's hitting new highs every day. Yeah, still hitting new highs every day. I don't know. I wouldn't, consult. Talk to me about that. Yeah, I'm liking Microsoft, right? Yeah. So that's where we're at. That's where we're at. So what else do we have? What else can we do? We had a good list today. We had, let's see, Netflix, huge, right? From it popped. I mean, they tried to drop it. It was in the reversal. We got in. And hopefully we'll swing that tomorrow. It'll be up $5-6, and we'll hit it on that again. All right. So that's going to be the Netflix. And we've got a couple of nice biotechs were in there today, and those they have a chance of buyout, and they have a chance of some other real good stuff. Yeah. Welcome. Hello, Doc. How you doing? Welcome. How's the trading going? I know we hit a few 100% in there for you, and but I hadn't heard back to see if you were able to trade any of them, if you were able to profit from them or anything like that. So let me know if you bought any or if you were able to sell any. How's that going for you? I know we had Amazon for you today, and we hit a few of them yesterday. So hopefully you're doing well. Hopefully our alerts are with you, and you're able to see them and you're able to execute them. You don't have to take everything. If you take 2-3 big ones every day, I think you're making huge amounts of money. All right. So that's where we're at. So we have some negative people in here. I can't really address negativity. This is an education class, so we're going to talk about stock education. Anybody wants to be educated? Let's talk about that. Okay. So what else? What else do we have? Let's see. We had an internet service provider that was really exciting, and so we took that. So guys, we alerted that. We really like the stock. It has a lot of patents. It has a lot of web addresses, web domains. And this is a highly on our buy list. Yeah. Tesla is bouncing, right? It was in the sell-off, but it's trying to bounce. Yeah, it's trying to bounce today. Let's see how it does tomorrow. With the oil getting so cheap that they were selling everything. Yeah, they sold everything off, and because the oil was getting so cheap. Okay, but hopefully the oil's found a little bit of a bottom, and we can get this market to turn around tomorrow. So that'll be that. All right. So let's look at some charts today. I've got a BABA chart coming up here. Let me turn this around, and let's get to the charts. All right. So here's a BABA chart. I'm going to get my indicators going, and I'm going to go with the full quote with the price labels, solid candles, and I'm going to get the on balance Keltner channels. I'm going to get the on balance volume, the let's see what I got in here. I have the accumulation distribution, and I have the commodity channel. All right, let's update this. Okay. All right. Now, here's BABA. All right. Now, what's going on with BABA? Wow. Anybody want to look at this thing? What does this thing look like? Raj, can you identify what this looks like? Okay. Raj is going to identify this for me. Okay. This, guys, is a classic. Do you guys see a cup? You guys see a cup in there? Yeah, no, this is a cup, guys. Look at this cup. Okay. So here's a cup. Boom. Right? And here's a handle. No, we got a cup and handle in BABA. Right here. See, the handle is a little bit lower. Yeah, it's a cup and handle in BABA. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tomorrow, what happens? Boom. Tomorrow's right here, bud. Tomorrow this cup and handle breaks to 88 more than likely. Yeah, it's going to explode tomorrow. This is a cup and handle setup, guys. This is a classic cup and handle. And we're seeing the accumulation. Okay, we're seeing the on balance picking up right there. Okay, on balance is picking up. And what else we got? We got a big bar. About a big green bar right here. Boom. Okay. Yeah, big green bar in BABA. And look at the accumulation distribution line. The funds are just buying the shit out of this thing. Funds is buying the shit out of this thing. All right. And look at this. It's at the bottom. And then it's just trending up. Trending up, trending up, trending up. Yep. That's what it's doing. So, you know, this is what I'm talking about. And it's just trending up, guys. So, you know, get that going. Get that going, and get into this trade. We've been in there for a week or a few days. We've already done it twice, and now, yeah, this will be our second time on BABA. Yeah. Yes, absolutely. You don't need more than free charting. Yeah. I mean, there's a million free charting programs out there. Yeah. But my paid charting comes from eTrade Pro, so I get that anyway. Yeah. This is for illustration purposes for you guys. And all my indicators are on here, so I really don't need to pay for something that doesn't, you know, this is my indicators. So I've got my on balance, I've got my Keltner channels, I've got my CCI, I've got my on balance, and my accumulation distribution line. Those are my indicators. So, you know, guys, if you're not getting value, whoever's not getting value, you guys can go next door. There's a Forex class. They could probably help you there. We're here to help. Yeah. We're here to help people. That's what we're here to do. And discuss trades and what we can help with what chart and what stuff. So this is where we're at. The Bitcoin is in an uptrend. We don't trade Bitcoin, but people that do, it is an uptrend. Yeah. So that's where we're at. All right. So now we got BABA and what else? Let's have a look. Let's see our buddy Relipsa. How are we doing on that? Let's see how's that going. All right. Let's look at Relipsa. All right. Now, Relipsa had to give us a beautiful 700% move last Friday. It's a beautiful, beautiful stock last Thursday. And it's just kind of consolidating that move right now. Okay, let me pull that up. Yeah, consolidating that move. It tagged the 200-day. And it's just consolidating, waiting for that next blow up to the 40 level, 38.40 level. So we're right there holding, and we got in at 21, and we're just happy to hold. And you know, it's just consolidating right there. Yeah, Relipsa is consolidating right there. So we're holding. We're doing great on there. Yeah, Yeah, no, I don't use Bollinger Bands. Yeah, I mean, I can look at them, but I use moving averages. Um, it's Bollinger Bands are right there. I mean, they're kind of curling, and Ellipsa is just blown through them. Yeah. Yeah, day trading, I mean, we day trade it, but usually we do swing. Yeah, if we hit our target in the day, we'll close it out in the day. Usually we swing for 2-3 days. And that's where we make our big money. That's where we're making 100%, 200%, things like that. So this is where we're at. Now, let's see. Netflix, let's look up Netflix. Okay, so Ellipsa, great consolidation, holding the breakout, and right there we're there. Okay. All right. Day trading, I would say probably not. You need to learn swing to make money. Yeah. Yeah, we swing for 2-3 days for a week. Yeah. If we're very confident in our trade, we'll hold the trade. Yeah. We don't care. And we're not going weeklies, we're going monthly options. So if we're confident in the trade, we'll hold it. Yeah. Yeah. Well, good for you. Good for you. Yeah, good for you. We're all here to learn, and and this is what we're doing. Now look at Netflix. Netflix back in accumulation, guys. Look at this. All right, I'll zoom in. Look at that Netflix going back on balance volume, back up. Okay, hedge funds are buying the shit out of this. It's back up, and look at this. It bounced today from the 121 level up to the 127, 128 level. So we're in this trade. And this can bounce easily to 132.80, 133 tomorrow. Easily. That's the top of the Bollinger Band. Okay? And it's back in unbalanced volume is trending up. And look at that accumulation distribution line trending up. And it's ready to pop the CCI. When it flats the CCI out, it's ready to pop it to 200. That's where you're going to see the up. Yeah, right now for us, Netflix is working as a long. And we really like it. We like the fact that today they said they were putting Redbox under. Redbox, their earnings got really, really bad. Really poor earnings on Redbox. It was down like 20%, something like that. So, for us, Netflix has worked really good. And yes, sir. Welcome. Welcome, Mr. Perry. Anything that we can do to help you out, to earn your business, we're here to do. And you can follow my subscribers. Raj is one of the best subscribers. No, I don't trade futures. That's done in the Forex class. Yeah, we don't do futures. We do stocks and options. And indices, we do indices, SPY, and we do ETFs. But yes, so we had a beautiful trade in Netflix, beautiful in Amazon, beautiful in Baba. As far as the stock business, I mean, I've been trading for about 25 years, and I've been advising my followers for about 4 years, since social media got popular. And then for 2 years, I've had the subscription. So, you can check with the followers, you can check with the members, you can see my performance, and, this is something that we do. And we make, we try to make you money every single day. Yeah. No, we don't do that. I can certainly consult with you, and I can certainly, give you my input. But no, I do not do trades for you. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. Warren Buffett became a billionaire just buying and holding stocks. Multi-billionaire. And the only thing he did is buy stocks. I'm not sure about that, but people have done that. Yeah, people have done many great things with stocks. Yeah, she's certainly not the only one. Certainly not the only one. Yeah, there's many people that have done that. Many people. Yeah, he owns everything. Yeah, he owns a lot of stuff. But what he buys is the leaders of their sector. He buys the best companies of the sector. He bought Coca-Cola because it's the leader of the bottling and leader of the soda. He bought it when it was like 25 cents, So things like that. His philosophy is to buy the leader of the category, and which I am a student of Buffett, and this is what I do. Yeah. Yeah. Stocks is the way to make money. Stocks and real estate. This is the key to making money. Yeah. Options you can, yes, because once you have stock, you can sell options. Yeah, it's all income. It's all income. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you can sell high volume options and once you have the stock. Yeah, it's all money, baby. All money. Yeah. So, that's what I got. I got some good hearts coming. Ahmad is that's Mr. Perry. He's just awesome. That is great. We have Sandra in here. Welcome, Sandra. We have Kim and Aaron. Welcome, guys. Greg, of course, I've been talking to him. Young Wolf, he's a great follower. And Roger, man, you guys, all the regulars are in here. Thank you, guys. You guys are just awesome. You've been here night after night. These guys are taking all the classes. All the classes. Well, I mean, you should have hit your stop around, 97, or 105. I mean, when it was falling from 130. Yeah, you should have hit that stop somewhere in there. Now it's obviously going to be a climb back up. But I like this stock. I like that stock, Umbrella. Yeah. I mean, we just traded it from 55 to 64 last week. Yeah, 55 to 64 last week we traded. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. I mean, if you're good at day trading, very few people are, right? I mean, it's like 1%, 2% that can day trade. Yeah. 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 EA good? Yes, let's look at it. Let's look at EA. I like EA. They got the Call of Duty, the Black Ops, all that stuff. Yeah, that's great. It's great. All right. Let's look at it. I like AMBA. We just traded 55 to 64 last week. All right. So EA, what do we have on EA? All right. We have a close of about $70. We have a kind of a wedge. Yeah, a little bit of wedge, a triangle wedge. Yeah. So we got a little bit of wedging here. This is your triangle. Yeah, triangle wedge. So I like triangle wedge. Triangle wedge means that it's a bullish. Yeah, it's kind of a bullish. The accumulation, the unbalanced volume is picking up. The accumulation and the distribution line is picking up, and the CCI is heading in the right direction. So to me, EA looks okay. EA looks okay. Good, Sand, good, good. Yeah, be sure to follow some of the guys in here. They're good traders. Yes, it's stockmarketmojo.com. Stockmarketmojo.com. I haven't tried the Robinhood platform, but I hear it's good. Yeah, I like eTrade Pro. It's on my phone. It's accessible on my desktop, my laptop. I like it. Yes, sir. Welcome to join us. Watch the videos. I put a couple of videos up there of our trades from last 2 days. And, we welcome you. We got running a good special here. It's like $199 a month to get started. And, every day or every other day we're hitting these home runs, And I mean, it's, that's what we have. Yeah. Yeah. So, check it out. I mean, whatever it is. Yeah. I mean, if they don't do it, maybe that's a disadvantage or maybe it's an advantage. We don't know. Depending on your trading style, you can use leverage in good or bad ways. And obviously, if you know what you're doing, you can do good with leverage. You can good. So this is what we got our recap on EA. We kind of like EA. It's a triangle wedge. And if it breaks to the upside, watch out, right? If it breaks to the upside, it's going to tag 75, somewhere in there, right? We do puts. Generally, I don't short stocks. I will do it through puts. Yeah. It's safer for me because if it goes the other way, I just lose the put money. So, I mean, you can sleep at night like that, right? So, this is what we got on EA. All right. Now, let's, yeah. Puts are basically an option that lets you, it's a right to sell a stock at any given price. So, for example, you bought the CMG 540 put. That means that 540 put, if the stock drops to 500 and you have a right to sell it at 540, then your put is worth $40. Okay? This is what happened to us. We bought a 540 put a couple of weeks ago, last week, yeah, and then it dropped on Monday to 500. So we were able to sell it for like $30. Yeah. Yeah. They're bought by the market makers. The market makers buy that. Yeah. So we buy it and then we sell it to them. Yeah. We buy it and we sell it to them. The strike price we choose will be dependent on a lot of things: the volatility, how the stock's moving, what does it do the market makers expect that it's going to do within the next month, and see if we can make we can take advantage of that, of what they're thinking. If they're thinking it's not going to move, it might be cheap, and then we pick it up and we pick it up. If the stock doesn't move, right? If I have a 540 put and CMG is at 550. Right? It never moved. So if it never moved, my put can expire to zero. Say I paid $3 for it, it could be worth nothing. It would only be worth something if it moves, it moves down, because my strike price is 540. So if it passes my strike price, say it goes to 537, then the put will be worth $3, right? And then any time that's left before the option expires. Yeah. On my website, what I'm doing is you get my private Twitter alert service. My private Twitter alert service gets you the alert before the market moves. You get in, you position, you get the trade, and boom, you're in it. When you're up 50, 100%, you get out. Okay? So that's my private Twitter alert service. $1.99. You could talk to any of the members in here, and they're hitting it out. Every single day, one of the guys hits 100, 200% every single day. Yeah. No, we don't play penny stock. These are all blue chip stocks. Apple, Google, Facebook, Starbucks, all blue chip stocks. We do not touch penny stocks. We have no interest in penny stocks. Do not buy penny stocks. Yeah. Yes, absolutely matters. Absolutely. Penny stocks, total scam. Do not touch that stuff. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Navi market update. We missed the Amazon 200% today for our subscribers. Baba going 100% tomorrow for our subscribers, and some other alerts that are doing really, really well. Book profit on CMG for 50%, and we could have had 100%, but we were seeing if we could have got more. Okay. We do it through options, through calls or puts. Yeah, calls or puts every day. It's documented. You can look at my Twitter feed. Yeah. It's $199 a month. Yeah. We hit them every single day. You can ask the followers, you can ask the subscribers. Like we got the Amazon 690 call for like $2, and it closed out somewhere around 6. Yeah. Yeah. I've been about 25 years personally. Yeah. 25 years. That's great. I made more money in the 90s than I could count. It was an amazing amount of money. Amazing. In the dot-com bubble. Amazing amount of money. That's where I learned. Of course, I lost a lot of it, but thankfully I had cashed a lot before it crashed. Yeah. So that was my learning. My learning was in the 90s. No. You could buy a put. One put could cost $100 for one put. And it requires like 100 shares. Yeah. Yeah. Just learned that, I have to have better stops, better protection of my capital. Yeah. 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 That was a different era. In that era, the stocks went up $30-40 every day. Yeah. It's not the same. Over here, it's not like that. You get maybe one stock, but yeah, it's not like that. Every day in the 90s, they went up $30 every day. So this is what it was. So it was a different era. And certainly it was a great time, I remember AOL and Yahoo. Yahoo was $500 a share. That was amazing. Yeah, it's nothing compared to the 90s. 90s, there's no PE, there's no E. There was nothing. It was clicks. If somebody clicked on your page, you were worth $1 million. That's what it was worth. I mean, drops can come anytime. Have protection. Have your puts. Drops can come anytime. Yeah, 90s was if you click on your page, you're worth $1 million. One click. It's like that. You got 1 million clicks, you're worth I don't know how many billion. Yeah. No, AMD not a good stock. Don't touch that stuff. Don't touch that stuff. You want to buy a good stock? I'll give you some good stocks to buy. Yeah. Don't touch AMD. Yeah. Savi, all right. Thank you. I'll see you, Savi, later. Sav trades. All right. Thank you. Good to see you. Yeah, I would definitely, I would recommend some of the stocks that we buy. Let me look at it. Let me see what I can give you. I would give you Microsoft right now. Yeah. Apple is worth $670 billion today. Not 1 billion. $670 billion is worth today. So, for a gentleman that was asking, yeah, Greg Jackson, yeah, trillion, yeah, it could go to trillion. For Mr. Jackson, I would recommend you to buy for your portfolio. I have a good stock. Microsoft, the blue chip stock, it's in the 50s, 55 or 56 a share. It's going to about the $70 level. So I would recommend a strong buy on Microsoft. And I'll give you another one. Starbucks, it's about $60 a share, is going to 80. So those would be my two picks for you. And if you want another one, Facebook, it's about 106, is going to 130. Yeah. Good. Yeah, CPT is good both ways. Yeah, no, we follow it. It's good both ways. It's in a downtrend right now, but you know, once it breaks the downtrend, then we'll be all over that. Twitter's okay. It's consolidating at the 25 level. I like it at this level at 25, and I have some myself, and I would just, you know, hold it here. Wouldn't put a strong buy on it, but I would accumulate it a little bit because it is the low cost right now. And at 25, it's a good, yeah, it's a good low cost. Yeah, yeah. Nuggets are okay. I mean, they reverse split them many times. Gold's in the tank, you know. So I mean, people have been losing money on Nugget for a very long time. Yeah, once in a while it goes up. Most of the time it goes down and reverse splits, right? All right. So this is where we're at. You know, we got a good week going. We're doing amazing, and tomorrow probably even doing better. Yeah. You're good to have some physical gold, not too much. Yeah, not too much. Some physical gold is good. Yeah, yeah. Have if the currencies, you know, get too overinflated, then you want to have some of your money in physical gold. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, not all of it, some of it. So this is you know, that'll be great. Let's see who else is in here. We can say hello to. Sandra, how can we help you? Any questions on stocks? You want to get involved with something? Did you make money this year? What stocks do you like? Definitely, my recommendations are for everybody. People should go long. Not via phone, just because I have 4 screens going, but I am accessible through direct message on Twitter. Instantaneously. Yeah, it's direct texting on Twitter, the DM, and once you follow me, I follow you right back, and you have access to me. So during the market day, I'm trading at the same time as you are. Yeah, I'll let you know what I'm doing, and if you want to do it, you can do it. Yeah. All right, good. Well, San Sloa, you're a good. He's a good trader. Good. Props. Good. Okay, so I have some recommendations for people that want to learn about trading knowledge. If you didn't get this yesterday, this is a book regarding the Wyckoff method. It's Trades About to Happen. And Wyckoff was a brilliant man, and he really figured out how the charts worked and how to get in and out of trades and make money. So this was one of the best swing traders of all time, Mr. Wyckoff. I would recommend this to put on your reading list. Trades About to Happen. Okay, that's one for you. And then I'll get another recommendation tomorrow. All right. What else do we have? Anybody got sick eating the Chipotle burritos? Anybody heard about that? The CMG. You know, a lot of people got sick. The college basketball team, I heard, and you know, the CMG saying there's no issue. Do you think there's an issue or there's no issue? Are you guys ready to go back to Chipotle? Let's get some feedback on that. Are you guys ready to go back? Take a chance? Eat some burritos. What do you say? Okay. Yes. I'm in Google, yeah. Raj, good answer. Raj is saying hell no, he's not going to Chipotle. Okay, all right. Agreed with Raj. I'm not going either. I'm not going either, and yeah. Good. Everybody's in agreement on that. Good job, guys. Really, you guys are doing your homework. That is really good to know. Yes, we have twice made money this week on the puts of Chipotle, and we may do it one more time. Okay, so we've done it twice already, and we might do it one more time. Yep. All right. Welcome, Monica. How are you doing? Good to see you. How's everything going out there? How's the day? How's LA treating you? All right. And let me know if there's any stocks on your list today and you're interested in looking at, and we'll look it up for you. Welcome. All right. So let's see. I'm going to go on Twitter. Let's see what I have. What it's looking like. Follow me at NaviAvatar1 on Twitter, and I'll get these trades set up for you and get them going. Perfect. All right. So we did great today on Amazon. We're going to swing it tomorrow. We did great on Baba, and we had a few other stocks that were in Google, Facebook, and hopefully we'll hit 100% on all those. And we'll be able to give you a market recap tomorrow, and see how you did. Now, all right. So Greg, you don't have any stocks as yet, is that correct? Or do you have AMD and you sold it? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Google, Tesla are good. Yeah. So yeah. Honest has been with us for a while, a couple of weeks. Yeah. And yeah. Okay. Might have to look at it to see if we can refocus that portfolio a little bit. And see if we can get it to making money for you. Hello, everybody. Hello, Dave. How you doing? Hope you did good. Hope you took Amazon this morning. Went up about 200% from where we alerted it. $7 or something like that from 2 and change. And we're going to swing, some of these Momos, the Facebooks and the Googles and the Babas. For about 100% tomorrow. Netflix we're in, so we had some good stocks. Yeah, definitely good stocks, good swings that we're gonna hit it out on. So hopefully you took advantage of that. Yeah. Okay. Well, you can watch it on replay because I leave that stuff there. And then go to the website stockmarketmojo.com, and I put up the video up there, so you can get access up there. Yeah, welcome everybody. Here they are. All right, everybody's coming home. Everybody's joining us. Welcome. And we had another spectacular day in the market. Amazon.com, huh? Just going crazy. Prime service, and gonna give us showtime. Gonna give us stars. Yeah. Yes, sir. You will work with me, sir. I will follow you right now. All right, here we are, Mr. Perry. And there you are. Yes, sir. Yes. So how we're going to work, sir, is we're going to have put you on our DM for the Twitter alerts. I will DM you every morning with the pre-market, what's going on, what are we expecting. Once you have the pre-market, then I will start sending you the alerts. My first alert this morning was Amazon, and it went up, obviously, as we were recapping, 200%. And then we have a few more other alerts that we're setting up for tomorrow. Including Facebook, Baba, and a few others that are just going to go nuts. And the market is beaten down for the last couple of days, so we're going to have a nice bounce in the next few days. And we got Santa on the way. People got to shop. People are going to buy stocks. Just like people got to buy presents, the hedge fund managers got to buy stocks, right? So they're going to go shopping, and what are they going to buy? We have the hedge fund list. We know what they're going to buy. We've been doing this homework. We've looked at the accumulation distribution line. We've looked at the unbalanced volume. These are some of the indicators that we know what they are buying. We see it on the chart. Okay? So this is what how we've been hitting it. We see it on the chart, we see it in the psychology, and we're able to do that. Yeah, great. Yes, yes, I've seen you. I've seen you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. We appreciate it. Thank you. Obviously, we have our own holiday special, $1.99 to get you in, or you can sign up for 3 months. It's even cheaper than that, for like $5.75 a quarter. Like, set it and forget it. We're here every night. We hold a free class every night after the market. And then we put up the replay on Periscope, and then we put up the replay on YouTube on my website. So you can go on stockmarketmojo.com and watch the replay on the website. Raj, okay, welcome, buddy. It's never too late. It's never too late. This is Raj's second day trading with me, and every day that he's traded, he's hit 100% to 200% every day. This is this gentleman. He's a good follower. He's followed me for a long time. He finally subscribed yesterday and today, and he's just, every time he's up for bat, he's 100%. I'm like, Raj, how do you do it? Every time. He's a good trader. I sent him the alert, but it's his, he's the one that executes it, pushes the button, and yeah. Let's see. When I started my option account trading, I did with 5,000, but some people do 5 to 10 to get started. Yeah. Option, if you are set up for the option account in E-Trade, it's a level 2. You fill out the form. You have to tell them, hey, you've traded options a couple of times, you have some experience, whatever it is. If you do, you let them know that. And basically, we're buying options and selling options. So what we're doing is buy to open, which means, we just put our money and we bought something to open a position. And then we sell to close. So we sell it to close that position. So nobody can come after us and say, hey, you got an open sold position. No, because we're buying to open. So we hold a contract in our hands, and then we sell it to close. Okay, so we bought something to open for $100 or $200, and we sold to close for, say, $500. We doubled our money, whatever, as an illustration. So buy to open, sell to close. These are the important terms of option trading. You must memorize those, write these down, and this is what you're going to be doing. Buy to open, sell to close. Doesn't matter if it's a put or it's a call. And we're going to pick up the strike, and we're going to give you the month. We're going to say, hey, it's this month, say December or January, and generally it's the third week of the month. Okay, so December third week is the 18th, January third week is the 15th. So when we say January call, that means 15th January. When we say December call, that means 18th December. Yeah. Now we don't have a free trial just because. We do have a lot of proprietary information, and we're not able to give that away for free. Yeah, everything is proprietary. It's been taking years for us to get to this level, and but we have testimonials from all our members, all our followers, all our subscribers that can assist on the performance that we're able to create with this community. We're building an investor community, and we were sharing great ideas, and I'm alerting those to you guys every day, and we do a lot of work. But our performance is really we're one of the top option houses in the industry. We're highly rated, and you can obviously check with the subscribers for that. And you can go on my Twitter feed and you can see their testimonials and their retweets and all the stuff that they're doing. Yeah, great, perfect. Have you ever bought and sold an option, Mr. Perry? So these will be the terminologies you will use. When you click on your E-Trade something to buy, you'll be buy to open. When you sell something, it'll be sell to close. And you will check your account to make sure that you bought to open and then you sold to close. When you buy to open, the position is in your account. When you sell to close, it's out of your account. The only thing is there is the money that you made. Okay? So this is how you're going to do it. I would look at a few of their little tutorials. E-Trade has free tutorials. Just it's like a 5-minute, 10-minute tutorial. Look at those, couple of those, and then just be comfortable with it, and know this is what you can do. I mean these guys that are in here, they've been doing this for many years, and it's just like buying stock. Instead, you're just buying an option. The only thing with options, they are riskier, as in if the stock doesn't do what you want it to do, then the option can expire to nothing. Yeah. So that's something on the option that that can happen. So you have to watch out what stocks you want. Pick stock selection is of prime importance when buying and selling options. All right. So I want to say hi to some more people. Wall Street option guys here. Dave, how you doing? Roger. Yeah. All right. Yes, Twitter is an okay stock. It's under accumulation at the 25 level. It's an okay stock. It could break out. I would watch the 26.50 level on that. If it clears that, it could set up to go to 30. Yeah, could set up. Good, good. I'm glad to have you in here. I'm glad that you've joined us, and hopefully you're taking some of the big trades and hitting those out. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It did okay. Twitter did okay. We got oversold, right? A lot of puts on it, a lot of options. The people are making money when it was going down, so when they cash it out, then it goes up a little bit. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Well, we can certainly assist with that. You know, we come and teach this class every night, and we certainly assist with that. We want to get you involved, get your business, and really show you. You know, like we did for our subscribers in here. Apple's consolidating, still setting up. Yeah, yeah, it's probably going to make a run, but we're on the lookout. Good, good. Okay, so we'll get you going. We'll get you going. You just join us, and we'll get you going. Yeah, definitely. Follow me on Twitter. Send me a DM, and once you join, and we'll be ready to rock first thing tomorrow morning, even tonight. Probably get you an update tonight. All right. So that'll be great. So Dave, any positions you bought today? Were you able to get Amazon? It'll be a big swing. It'll be a big swing. All right. All right. Awesome. Awesome. Great. Great. Okay. Google's good. Google's good. So we'll hopefully Google does have some positive news for us in the morning, and it's just going to rip 10, 15 points. We double our money, we get out. That'll be the play on Google tomorrow. Usually they do gap and go on those. So it's just going to gap up. It's going to squeeze, 10 up, cash it out. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, let's see how they do. A lot of them bounced today from their bottoms. So I think they're heading positive, and let's rock and roll with that. Let's rock and roll. Yeah. So that'll be the action. All right. Good. Yes. Facebook. Out of those three, I like Facebook right now. I want to get you involved in Facebook. I'm going to watch it in the morning, see how it's doing, and I get you in there. Yeah. I'll get you in Facebook. Yeah. Celgene, yeah, with the biotech, yeah, if there's a biotech rally, it pops tomorrow. Yeah. Otherwise, they're in distribution. The biotechs are in distribution. Yeah. But if there's a rally, Celgene will pop tomorrow. Yeah. So let's do a quick check. What are we looking at tonight? Let's see how the futures have opened. Let's look at the futures. All right. Okay, what do we have already? We have okay. All right. Well, let's see. S&Ps are up 6, guys. S&P futures are up 6. I like that. Yeah, 6 points. Nasdaq futures are up 11 3/4 points. Yeah, good. Yes, but how many contracts do you buy? Generally, I will be buying 2 or 3 good contracts. Yeah, I don't want to buy more than 5% of my money in my account. So if I'm buying 5, and say I have $10,000 and I'm spending $500 on a position, that's about right. If I have 20,000 in my account, I'm spending 1,000. That's about right. Yeah. On a $5,000 account, the maximum I would go is 500, 10% maximum. So that would be, could be $1. So you'd have 5 calls. So if it was a dollar option, it would be 5 calls. That would be a good position. 5 calls. If they go $2 or $3, you're making $1,500. Yes, PayPal is okay. It's a good. I would say it's a good hold at this level. Yeah, it's not on my strong buy list. Yeah, it's a good hold. Yeah. Snap. Which one? Which stock is that? I don't have that one. Okay. Okay. That's how it works. Yeah. So option is, yeah, like it's $1 and it represents 100 shares, right? So a $1 option was going to cost you $100. So it's because you're controlling 100 shares. If you buy a $2 option, then it's costing you 200 and you're controlling still 100 shares. If those 100 shares go up $3 or $4, you can do the math there. Yeah. All right. One of our CMGs, one time we bought it for $3 or $4. It went to 30. It was crazy. I mean, it was just like yesterday. It was nuts. All right. So this is what it is. I would like you to watch a couple of videos and get familiarized with the nature of options. There's a couple of books though. That's for more detail that I would have you do. Macmillan's options and that kind of stuff. Yeah. Yeah. CMG puts, yeah, I was watching the 539 squeeze, and so that's kind of what I was watching, 539 to 542 level, or 544 I gave you. So I was watching that level. I want to have it break that level to the downside. That's kind of what I was trying. Yeah, I was trying for that. It's not convincing to me, and of course I don't want you to lose money. That's why I'm saying, you know, keep it around that level, 539 to 544 level. Now, you know, if it breaks below that, then I think we're okay. So this is kind of where I was at, but let's just look at it. Hopefully, I mean, it still works for us, and we do good on it, right? But definitely yesterday was the day, and you know, the subscribers killed it yesterday on that. Okay, so yeah, I'm excited. Maybe we'll have Mr. Perry as a new customer, and we'll have a couple more of you guys, and we'll continue to, you know, kick ass and, you know, take names, right? That's what we're going to do. All right. So let's see. Great. All right, guys. So, yeah. Accumulation sector. What, yeah, great. That would be amazing. That would be awesome. I welcome you. And we'll be here. Any questions, just send me on Twitter, DM me, and I'll be able to answer. Yes. Raj, he's an awesome guy. He just joined 2 days ago. Yeah, he's loving it. And first thing I'm giving Mr. Perry is I'm going to give you Facebook, a trade in Facebook. So hopefully we'll make money on that. Yeah. So, yeah, Mr. Perry, follow Raj. Raj is a very knowledgeable trader. He can assist you. He's a very, very knowledgeable trader. Yeah. He's a great guy. He's been doing it for many years. So definitely follow this guy. He knows his stuff. So I'll get Mr. Perry started with a good trade and, you know, something solid, and he can put that in his belt, and then he can move forward. You know, he can make some money, he get his confidence. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, we want to start him on the right path of making money. I'm gonna just get maybe a Microsoft, maybe a Facebook, something really solid for him. He can make some good money. Okay. Limit orders, right? Mr. Perry, when you're buying stock, you always put a limit order. Same thing with options. You're going to put a limit order. Okay? Yeah. Do you follow me on that? You're going to do buy limit. So if you don't want to pay more than $1, you put $1 as a limit. Got that? Selling the same thing. You want to put a limit to sell. Do not use market orders. The market makers will steal from you. Do not do that. Limit orders only. Okay? Buy to open the option position. Sell to close the option position. Limit price on the buy. Limit price on the sell. Double check before you click that button. Right? It's basic stuff. Basic stuff, but bears repeating. We don't want anybody to lose money just because of a push of a button. Okay? We want everybody to know what they're doing. This is why we have the education. You know, we share the information, and we are here to educate people that want to make extra money. This is just a free education. However, we're not financial advisors, and if that's something you need, that's obviously there's Merrill Lynch, there's Charles Schwab, and there's all those guys that make money on your money, and they actually get paid a percentage of your portfolio to advise you. So that what I would recommend, really. If that's the kind of knowledge you need, definitely consult those guys. But we're a group of investors that are free to share knowledge, and we share our experience with you. Yeah, exactly. So, this is what it's all about. We're just sharing our knowledge, sharing our experience, and, we're just sharing our trades. We're just saying, hey, this is what we're doing. You're welcome to join us. So hopefully you'll find value in that, and you'll make money just like the rest of us. We've been doing it long enough, so we're doing okay. Some days are just amazing, and we have some bad days once in a while. But overall, I think we're doing really, really well. I'm really thankful. Yeah. All right. So, Raj, if you come up with any more good info, definitely DM me tonight or tomorrow morning, and then I'll get the pre-market report out to you guys. Let's see what it is. The futures look amazing. 1150 up on the NASDAQ, 6 up on the S&P. They're ripping up tonight. If they rip up in the morning, we're going 100, 200% again. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to keep my eye on that. Yeah. Keep my eye on that. Now, the only thing with the win is that Chinese gaming in Macau, they're just slowing down there. 32% revenue decline. So that's the only thing I'm bearish, but good. All right. Hey, this is my man. This is my man. All right, man. You got love. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Good. Raj always solid. He's a solid trader. Solid trader is Raj, and definitely, that's why I'm following him. He's a solid trader. Yeah. All right. Let's see. So we'll get Mr. Ahmad Perry set up, and he'll join. A great team. You guys are just awesome, and we'll continue to build. We'll build our community. We're on our way. We're going to build a great community, and we're going to share knowledge and continue to do well. Yeah. Okay. All right. So sell the gap. Okay. All right. Good advice. There. All right. What else? It looks like we're on the big guys, and the big guys are working. Everybody that bought the other shit, they were down 150 points, right? You saw that? Only the big stuff was up, which is our stuff. So our stuff bounced back. The rest was nothing. So this is where we're at. We're in the big guys, and we love the big guys. Big guys are making money. All right, everybody knows what those are. Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Google, right? FANG. Acronym is FANG. Those are the big guys. So FANG's still working. No matter what they're saying, they're telling you, oh, FANG's not working. FANG's still working, guys. Still working. All right? Okay. All right, so excellent, you guys. If there's any more questions, I'm available on Twitter. I'm available on StockTwits, and of course, direct messaging. And once I get you guys' confirmation, I will be sending you a welcome letter and getting you all set up for our trades for tomorrow. Okay? So in the meantime, have a great evening, and I will talk to you guys later. All right? Bye.